Our planet is a place of constant change. Throughout the year, we experience four distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season brings its own unique character, transforming the landscapes around us and influencing the rhythms of life. From the blossoming flowers of spring to the falling leaves of autumn, each season plays a vital role in the natural world. These cyclical changes are not random. They are governed by the Earth's position in relation to the Sun. Understanding the seasons helps us to appreciate the intricate workings of our planet. It allows us to connect with nature and understand the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Let's embark on a journey through the seasons, exploring their beauty and significance. As winter's grip loosens, the Earth awakens from its slumber. Spring arrives, bringing with it a sense of renewal and rebirth. Temperatures begin to rise and the days grow longer, signaling to the natural world that it's time to thrive once more. The once bare branches of trees begin to bud, promising a vibrant display of foliage. Delicate blossoms emerge, painting the landscape in a palette of pastel colors. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers, attracting bees and butterflies eager to pollinate. Spring is a time of great activity in the animal kingdom. Animals emerge from hibernation, ready to mate and raise their young. Birdsong fills the air as they build nests and establish territories. The natural world is alive with the energy of new beginnings. Summer arrives, bringing with it long, sun-drenched days and a sense of warmth and abundance. Temperatures soar, encouraging us to seek shade under the leafy canopy of trees. The air is thick with humidity, and the occasional thunderstorm provides a refreshing respite from the heat. Summer is a time for growth and maturity. Plants flourish under the sun's rays, their leaves a vibrant green. Fruits ripen on branches, offering a sweet and juicy treat. Fields of wheat and corn sway gently in the breeze, promising a bountiful harvest. Animals are at their most active during the summer months. Birds tend to their young, teaching them to fly and fend for themselves. Insects buzz and chirp, adding to the symphony of summer sounds. Life thrives under the sun's generous warmth. As the days begin to shorten and the nights grow cooler, we enter the season of autumn. This is a time when nature begins to slow down and prepare for the colder months ahead. The air takes on a crisp, refreshing quality, and the leaves on the trees begin their transformation into a breathtaking spectacle of color. Each leaf seems to tell a story, a final flourish before the inevitable fall. From vibrant reds and oranges to golden yellows and rich browns, the leaves paint the landscape in a final burst of glory before they fall to the ground. This transformation is a reminder of the beauty in change and the cycles of life. The ground beneath the trees becomes a carpet of color, inviting us to take a leisurely stroll and admire nature's artistry. Each step crunches with the sound of fallen leaves, adding to the sensory experience of the season. Autumn is a time of preparation for the coming winter. The landscape begins to shift, and the natural world readies itself for the colder days ahead. Animals gather food and store it away, ensuring their survival through the lean months ahead. This instinctual behavior is crucial for their endurance during the harsh winter. Some animals, like squirrels, bury nuts, creating hidden caches that they will rely on when food becomes scarce. While others, like bears, build up their fat reserves. They eat voraciously to prepare for hibernation, a long sleep that will see them through the winter. The natural world readies itself for the challenges to come. Every creature and plant plays a part in this grand preparation, showcasing the resilience and beauty of life. Section 5. Winter's quiet beauty. Winter arrives, cloaking the land in a thick, pristine blanket of snow and ice, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. The air is cold and crisp, and the days are short, with the sun making only brief appearances, casting long shadows and a soft, golden light. While it may seem like a time of dormancy, winter possesses a unique beauty and tranquility, offering a peaceful respite from the hustle and bustle of other seasons. The snow glistens under the weak winter sun, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland where every flake sparkles like a tiny diamond. Frozen lakes and ponds become shimmering surfaces, reflecting the sky above and creating a mirror-like effect that is both mesmerizing and beautiful. Evergreen trees stand tall, their dark green needles a stark contrast to the white backdrop, adding a touch of color to the monochrome scenery. While many animals hibernate or migrate to warmer climates, some species are well adapted to survive the harsh conditions, showcasing nature's resilience. Deer and rabbits forage for food, their thick fur providing insulation against the cold, and their tracks leaving delicate patterns in the snow. Birds huddle together for warmth, their chirps a reminder that life persists even in the depths of winter, bringing a sense of continuity and hope. Section 6. The Earth's Tilt. A delicate balance. What causes this remarkable cycle of seasons that we experience every year? The answer lies in the Earth's tilt and its orbit around the Sun, creating a delicate balance that governs our climate. Unlike what many people might assume, the Earth's distance from the Sun is not the primary factor determining the seasons. It's a common misconception. The Earth is tilted on its axis at approximately 23.5 degrees, a tilt that plays a crucial role in our seasonal changes. This tilt remains constant as the Earth orbits the Sun, ensuring a consistent pattern of seasonal variation. As a result, different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year, influencing temperature and weather patterns. During summer in the Northern Hemisphere, the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, resulting in longer days and more direct sunlight, which warms the region. Conversely, during winter in the Northern Hemisphere, the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun, leading to shorter days and less direct sunlight, causing colder temperatures. Section 7. The Earth's Journey Around the Sun. The Earth takes approximately 365.25 days to complete one full orbit around the Sun. This journey, combined with the Earth's tilt, is what gives rise to the seasons. As the Earth orbits the Sun, its tilted axis always points in the same direction. This means that different hemispheres receive varying amounts of sunlight and heat at different times of the year. For instance, when the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer, the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter. This occurs because the Southern Hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun during this time, resulting in shorter days and less direct sunlight. Section 8. Seasons around the world. It's important to note that the experience of seasons varies depending on one's location on Earth. Regions near the equator experience less variation in temperature and daylight hours throughout the year. They may have only two distinct seasons, a wet season and a dry season. Moving towards the poles, the seasons become more pronounced. Countries located in temperate zones, such as the United States, experience 4 distinct seasons with significant variations in temperature and daylight hours. In polar regions, such as the Arctic and Antarctic, there are only 2 seasons, a long, cold winter and a short, cool summer. These regions experience extreme variations in daylight hours, with periods of constant daylight during summer and constant darkness during winter. Section 9. The impact of climate change. Climate change is having a profound impact on the Earth's seasons. Rising global temperatures are causing shifts in weather patterns, leading to more extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. These changes are disrupting the delicate balance of nature, affecting plant and animal life cycles, and impacting human societies around the world. For example, warmer temperatures are causing some plants to bloom earlier in the spring, which can disrupt the timing of pollination and affect the availability of food for animals. Addressing climate change is crucial to mitigating its impact on the Earth's seasons and preserving the balance of our planet for future generations. This requires a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to more sustainable practices. Section 10. Our connection to the seasons. The seasons have played an integral role in human societies for millennia. They have shaped our agricultural practices, influenced our cultural traditions, and inspired countless works of art, music, and literature. From the ancient festivals celebrating the harvest to the modern-day enjoyment of winter holidays, the seasons continue to connect us to the natural world and to each other. They remind us of the cyclical nature of life, the importance of adaptation, and the beauty of change. As we continue to navigate the challenges of the 21st century, let us remember the importance of protecting our planet and preserving the delicate balance of the seasons for generations to come.